For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A week-long triple lockdown began in all areas falling under Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram Corporation limits. The P. Vijayan-led Kerala government decided to implement stricter lockdown measures to curb the rising number of COVID-19 cases. Tourism Minister K. Surendran said people should not venture out and state needs strict restrictions to contain the spread of the virus. K. Surendran also said that triple lockdown will be in place in the city corporation limit for 1 week. Officials said all roads except for an entry and exit road leading to the capital will be shut. Grocery stores, banks, medical stores, hospitals and other essential services will be allowed. All other non-essential services will be shut and all public transportation will not be operational in the city. Kerala government has decided to conduct more antigen tests in the district to check the spread of the virus. The state secretariat and other government offices remain closed in Kerala. The Kerala University has declared the cancellation of all exams in view of the lockdown. The restrictions in force in containment zones would be tightened and food delivery boys would also be tested. Kerala government warned of action against those who venture out unnecessarily. During triple lockdown, there will be more restrictions and only necessary services will be allowed. It involves 3 steps: Lock 1, Lock 2 and Lock 3. Under Lock 1, the authorities restrict the movement of all people in the city. They ensure that no one entered the hotspots and nobody moved out of it. The Lock 2 is enforced from where COVID-19 cases have been detected. Under this, authorities warned of action against those who venture out unnecessarily. Under Lock 3, houses of infected persons are monitored. Officials ensure that infected persons and their family members do not step out. Police personnel posted round the clock to monitor the movement of people. The movement of passengers from airports and railway stations will be allowed with safety precautions in place. Persons stepping out must carry signed declaration forms stating why they have stepped out of their homes. The police will have the authority to book and fine offenders. The police, along with volunteers, will help with doorstep delivery of essential services for those unable to step out. Kerala government has issued helpline numbers for people in need of essentials to prevent them from stepping out. Kerala on Sunday reported second highest single day rise of 225 COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 5,429.